Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of complicated diets and intense workout routines that never seem to stick? Today, we're cutting through all the noise to give you the simple way to lose weight and be healthy. No fads, no extremes, just practical, easy-to-implement tips that will transform your body and mind. If you're ready to feel great, look great, and make health a sustainable part of your life, then hit that like button and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the foundation of all weight loss, what you eat. But forget restrictive diets. We're focusing on simple, whole foods that are delicious and satisfying. Breakfast, the energy kickstart option. 1. Greek yogurt with a handful of berries, strawberries, blueberries, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Protein, fiber, antioxidants. Boom. Option 2. Oatmeal made with water or unsweetened almond milk, topped with half a banana and a few walnuts. Sustained energy, gut-friendly. Option 3. 2 scrambled eggs with a side of spinach. Protein powerhouse. Now for lunch, fueling your afternoon. Option 1. A big salad. Think dark leafy greens, grilled chicken or chickpeas, plenty of colorful veggies like bell peppers and cucumber, and a light vinaigrette. Option 2. Whole wheat wrap with lean turkey or hummus, lettuce, tomato, and avocado. Option 3. Leftovers from a healthy dinner, which we'll get to next. This is a fantastic time saver. Finally, dinner, nourishment and recovery. Option 1. Baked salmon or lean chicken breast with a generous serving of steamed broccoli and quinoa. Option 2. Lentil soup with a side salad, hearty, filling, and packed with fiber. Option 3. Stir fry with lots of colorful vegetables and tofu or shrimp, using a low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. And don't forget those hunger pangs between meals. Here are some simple, healthy snacks. An apple with a tablespoon of peanut butter, a handful of almonds or walnuts, baby carrots and hummus, a hard-boiled egg. Eating well is half the battle, but movement is equally crucial. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get a great workout. Here are some simple exercises you can do daily to burn calories and increase muscle. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Get that heart rate up. Bodyweight squats, 15 reps. Great for your legs and glutes. Remember to keep your chest up. Push-ups, as many as you can do. On your knees or toes, build upper body strength. Plank, 30, 60 seconds. Engage your core, straight line from head to heels. Walking lunges, 10, 12 reps per leg. Improve balance and leg strength. Aim for at least 20-30 minutes of these exercises most days of the week. Consistency is key. Even a brisk 30-minute walk counts as fantastic movement. The goal is to move your body more and sit less. While whole foods should always be your primary source of nutrients, supplements and vitamins can play a supportive role, especially if you have dietary gaps. Multivitamin. A good quality daily multivitamin can help cover your bases. Vitamin D. Many people are deficient, especially in less sunny climates. It's crucial for bone health and immune function. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil. Important for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Protein powder. If you struggle to get enough protein from food, a scoop of whey or plant-based protein in a smoothie can be helpful for muscle repair and satiety. Important: always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can help you determine what's right for you. We've talked food and fitness, but there's one more critical, often overlooked pillar of health: sleep. Good quality sleep is not a luxury. It's a non-negotiable for weight loss and overall well-being. Hormone regulation. Lack of sleep disrupts hunger hormones. Ghrelin makes you hungry, goes up, and leptin makes you feel full, goes down. This means you'll crave more, often unhealthy foods. Energy for workouts. When you're well-rested, you have more energy and motivation to exercise. Muscle recovery. Your body repairs and builds muscle during sleep. Stress reduction. Sleep helps manage stress, which is often a factor in weight gain. Tips for better sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Warm bath, reading, light stretching. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid screens, phones, tablets, TV, at least an hour before bed. So there you have it, the simple way to lose weight and be healthy. It's not about quick fixes, but about building sustainable habits with whole foods, consistent movement, supportive supplements, and prioritizing sleep. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comments below what simple health habits you're going to start today. See you next time, and always check the description area for any free help.